TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 57. You get the NASDAQ down 17. S&Ps are off 5.5. Gold contract up $8.40, trading at $12.4450. You have silver up 7 cents at $17.83 an ounce. Platinum's up $11.50 at $10.16 an ounce. Copper up 4.5 pennies, $2.67 a pound. Light sweet crude down 32 cents, trading at $51.85 a barrel. We're going to have those crude numbers coming out at 10:30 today. Notes: 10-year note up 11 ticks, 125.15. 30-year bond up a full point, plus 2 ticks, 153.07. Now, both the notes and the bonds, they're moving with volume out here today, folks. The 10-year note is going after its swing point. Looks like it's going to take it out. We'll see whether we get the 1.5 million contracts. Right now, we're at 600,000 contracts, which is big volume for 10 o'clock in the morning. King dollar down 86 ticks at 100.165. King dollar continues to get sold off. That's an ABC structure, a confirmed ABC on the way down. You get a price projection out here of 96.965. The euro is at 106, and the yen is trading at 111.80. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. What you have with the S&Ps is this. You had a sideways move out there yesterday. Try to get into a tie. Bottom line stayed right up there. And today you're down 40 cents in the SPY. We'll see whether we get an expansion of volume. So what has happened here, going all the way back to the 13th of December, is that the consolidation's been in place. Each and every time that you go into the highs, the volume dies in the vine. When you come back into the lows, the volume has expanded. Bottom line, not expanded enough to break down. That is in the Dow in the SPY. The Dow Industrials yesterday failed on price, failed on volume. What does that mean? That means that the bottom line is that you got over the high of the 26th, had lighter volume, and in this case, what we also had is that when we were coming into the high on Tuesday, the volume was light. So bottom line, if we get an expansion of volume out here today inside the Dow Industrials, that would set up that you're going to get a rundown to the 19,677, and we'll just see if this correction has actually started. If you go take a look at the composite just made it by its teeth yesterday, meaning not failing on price and volume. Same type of setup in the composite. If the composite has an expansion of volume, that'd be saying that the correction started. If you don't get the expansion of volume, guess what? You go after the highs once again. Gold contract, bottom line, gold contracts in an ABC structure on the way up. You're at up 750 right now. You're at 1243. This gold contract wants to run up to the 1258. More than likely, we're going to end up seeing is 1315 out of this move. Silver, same type of setup in silver. Silver wants to run into the $19 level. You're at $17.80 right now. Your swing point up there is 19,120. Notes, the 10-year note. Now, the notes and the bonds continue to give the most consistent information, folks. So right now, the 10-year note is going into the 125.13 area. We're at 125.14. We've already done 723,000 contracts. That brings the probability much higher that you're going to get the 1.5 million contracts. You get that, you're going to be up into the 127.07 very quickly. 30-year bond, same type of setup in the 30. 30-year bond up here, we're at 153.06. You've done 113,000 contracts. That little baby looks like it's going to do 250. You do 250, what that does is two different things. That would say that you're going to get into the 155.13, but that gives the shot that you're actually going to go to 163. Whole different animal. King dollar. What do we have at King dollar? King dollar just continues to get sold, folks. Bottom line, King dollar had a high out here today of 100.630. Right now, you're at 100.170. You're in a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. Bottom line, 96.965. That is your number. So what are we looking for out here today? I suspect you're going to get lower price. The real kicker is, are you going to get an expansion of volume? This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.